Now I'm going to attach the hands to the corpse. I'm taking a little bit of stuffing. You don't need much. And I personally don't work it into the fingers. I don't care. The fingers can be floppy. Now I'm using green cloth work gloves. If you're very ambitious about this project, you could buy some rubber corpse hands, but I think these work great. Okay, I'm taking the black spray paint, and to simulate rot, I'm going to go across the fingers. Top. Couple spots on the hand, on the palm of the hand. There's the gruesome corpse's hand. I'll do it once again. The rot starts at the fingertips. Just a couple quick sprays, just like that, and there it is.